Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm inside my unit, as you can see. I've got this Seat Altea XL in the unit for an interior detail. As you can tell from the title, this is the filthiest car inside that I've ever sort of come across. It's in for the interior detail package, which includes sort of a hoover, shampoo, the upholstery, and then go around all the dash and door plastics, deeply cleaning them to get it looking like new again. I'll show you in a minute the condition of this car. I don't know what's happened to it. It's been set up for ages in some sort of farm or something like that, and it's took an absolute battering with obviously the weather and stuff. So it's got mould everywhere, there's dirt and grime everywhere, all the plastics are absolutely trashed. I'm not too sure how long this is going to take to do, but I'm judging about 3 hours to sort of get it done. I'll show you the interior in a sec just so you can see what it's like, but be prepared, it's absolutely filthy. My plan, to be fair actually, I don't really know where I'm going to start with it. Probably just hoover it, shampoo all the upholstery, go around all the seat belts, and then deeply clean the dash and door plastic. I have gone around this car and done some before photos and videos so you can see exactly the condition of it. So I'll show you them now, and then I'll get cracking straight on with cleaning it, and then I'll video all the stages that I'm going to do to clean it and get it looking like new. So hopefully I'll see you once it's all done.
as a message. And the only song I can really kind of think of
So that's this Seat Altea finally done. It took a long time to get this to the standard that it is at the minute. It's not 100% perfect. I could have spent a lot longer cleaning this. Without taking the seats out and stuff like that. I did do as best as what I could, but like I said, I could chuck hours and hours and hours cleaning this interior in this car to get it absolutely perfect. But I'm not getting paid to do that. I'm just getting paid to get it to a presentable standard. I'm working to a budget, and I'm working to a time scale as well. But it's ready for the customer to collect now. I mean, it is looking loads better, like I say. Some areas I'm not 100% happy with, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was like. All the moulds now gone. It's been hoovered out. All the dash and door plastics cleaned. Seats have been shampooed. Carpets have been deeply scrubbed. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything, and the glass has been cleaned and stuff like that. It's been here for a couple of days, so it's misting up a little bit, so it does need to be dried out. But it is ready for the customer to collect. So yeah, I hope you like watching this video. It is probably the filthiest interior that I've ever come across. So I hope you sort of liked seeing some of the procedures and steps that I've used to clean this interior in this car. But if you'd like to see more videos like this or similar videos to this, then just comment below and I'll be more than happy to do it. And I'll try and do a few more different sort of detailing content. In terms of the detailing content, I do want to make it quite different, not just sort of like ceramic coatings and machine polishing, but I think videos like this where it was absolutely filthy would make a good video for you, and it is quite satisfying for you all to see, especially to see the result it is now. I'll show you around the car in a minute when I've sort of finished up, but I'm going to sign out of this video. I'm not too sure what the next video will be. It depends what I've got coming in. It'll more than likely sort of be a detailing video again. I want to try and get my bike in to do a detail. It's just finding the time to do it. But I will be detailing my bike, and I will do a little ride out on my bike and then show you around that. So that's a KTM Duke 690. I have ceramic coated that, but it does need a deep clean with all the weather that we've had. So hopefully I'll get a video on that in the next sort of couple of weeks or so. But I'll try and do that as quick as I can. But yeah, just stay tuned for more. Make sure you like this video if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel and share around if you can. And I'll see you guys and girls on the next one.